Hello, I am making this video because I was not sure how to get the hibernation mode set for this particular model, which is a 2-year carbon monoxide detector. It's through Honeywell. It's the reason why you'd pick a 2-year carbon dioxide monitor versus a longer lasting one is maybe pricing. Maybe you want to have something that you don't want to calibrate, and then after the 2 years it's no longer usable, then you would go buy another one for the price point. Maybe that works better for your company. Reading the directions, I could not really figure out how to do this until I finally was able to realize that I needed to order the case, and the case has finally arrived. So this hibernation mode will only be useful if you've purchased the correct hibernation case. Honestly, it looks like a piece of plastic that you could just, find and make one yourself, except for the fact that it has additional components on it that will put the monitor into a resting mode. So what you would do, since mine would normally just do this, 22 months to go. It's taken 2 months for me to get this. I activated this on June the 21st. And as you know, and the reason why you're watching this video is because you want this thing to go to sleep to preserve the battery. So what you would do is you would push the button. This activates it. And then as it shows you the low alarm and the high alarm, you would start pushing the button to toggle through. And I just missed it, so it's going to do it again. So just bear with you. If you miss it, you just keep going, just no problem. Go through, next one. Now it's prompting me to hold down for 5 seconds. It's going to give me 20 seconds to put this into its case. It's asleep now. Close it. Keep it, maybe in a box. Keep it near the site. Keep it with the operators, whoever's using the equipment that has the potential to generate carbon monoxide. So when they do need this again, they would simply open it and use it, and would begin to detect the carbon monoxide levels again. So why am I doing this? I know that there are job sites where we are not using propane-fired machinery. We may be using electric ones. That means that I want to preserve the life of this because it has this case. It has a hibernation mode, so why not use it? The case itself, I think, was about $20-ish, and I think it's worth it, especially when you have the ability to use different types of equipment, and that way you'll have a longer performance of this. So that's basically my quick video on how I finally figured out how to get the hibernation mode to work. Maybe you figured it out much faster than me. Congratulations. Well done. I am not necessarily a person that can just read directions. I like to see it and follow along. So I hope this video helps you out in any way.